Many English learners face a very common problem. They lack a structured routine or a clear plan to improve their daily communication. Whether you are a complete beginner who doesn't know where to start or an intermediate speaker who feels stuck without any visible progress, this video is designed specifically for you. Make sure you stay with me until the very end. Stop worrying about what people say when you make mistakes in English. If you want to change your life and speak with absolute confidence, you just need one thing: the right daily habit. Hey guys, welcome back to English with KD7, and today I'm giving you the ultimate daily routine to master spoken English effortlessly, which I use also. Let's jump straight into it. In this video, I'm going to share a powerful morning routine that will transform your English speaking journey completely. It doesn't matter how much you struggle right now or how broken your English sounds. If you implement this daily schedule with absolute consistency, nothing can stop you from becoming a highly fluent speaker. Let's jump straight into the detail. I'm going to break down this daily habit into 4 simple parts. Part 1, the 5 minutes morning journal. The very first thing you need to do right after you wake up is to write a 5 minutes journal. Grab a notebook and write down your plans for the entire day. For example, if you are going to attend college, go to the market, complete a project, or meet a specific person, write it down clearly. It is basically a quick written schedule of your day. Why this step is crucial? When we wake up, our brain naturally starts thinking in our mother tongue. Whether you speak Hindi, Tamil, Marathi, Gujarati at home with your family and friends, your brain is deeply conditioned to process thoughts in that regional language. To break this habit and activate the English speaking parts of your brain, you need to start your day by writing in English. Yes, friend, it's true. To practice this effectively, set a timer on your mobile phone or watch for exactly 5 minutes. Do not write for more less than that time. Stick strictly to 5 minutes. Write down whatever thoughts or tasks come to your mind regarding your day. This simple action immediately shifts your brain's thinking pattern into English mode. Part number 2, the 10 minutes input session. The second part of the routine is a dedicated 10-minute input session. During this time, you must watch a video entirely in English. You are free to choose any topic that you actually enjoy watching. That is the important thing. It could be the daily news, cartoons, motivational speeches, stand-up comedy, or movie clips, etc. The only rule is that the content must be in English. When you listen to English videos, you naturally absorb new vocabulary words, phrases, and expressions and sentence pattern. I highly recommend watching native speakers. By observing them, you will learn the automatic expression and real life phrases that people use in their everyday conversations. Try to dedicate at least 10 minutes to this practice. If you have extra time and want to watch longer, you can absolutely do that while watching. Keep your notebook handy. Whenever a new word or catchy phrases pops up, write it down immediately because you will need it. For the next step, part number 3, the active research session. Now comes the third part, which is your research session. Take the list of new words, idioms, and expressions that you collected during your input session and look them up online. You can use Google or any browser to find out their exact definition and meanings. You can also use the YouTube. Do not just look at the definition and stop there. To master a word, you must understand its practical application. Check how it is used in a sentence and write down 2 or 3 examples. Sentences in your notebook. Understanding the exact context will help you see those words effortlessly during your real life conversations. And part number 4, the application session. The final part of this morning routine is the application session. This is where the magic happens. In this step, you are going to rewrite the morning journal that you created in that first part. Take your daily schedule and rewrite it by actively integrating the new vocabularies, words, expressions, and phrases that you just researched. When you force your brain to use newly learned words in a real context, those words get permanently fixed in your memory. The next time you speak to someone, your mind will automatically pop those words up, allowing you to communicate effortlessly and confidently, and it automatically come out your mouth. Changing your mindset towards mistakes now that have a structured plan. You must promise me that you will follow it closely and not give up. Most importantly, stop being afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are a natural and unavoidable part of the language learning process, and it is also these are our friends. To be completely honest with you, even I make mistakes while speaking. In fact, I made a mistake just a moment ago when I said various mistakes instead of simply saying many mistakes. Did you catch that? I connected myself right away. Making errors is completely normal. Remember, you are trying to master a completely new language. When your brain encounters something unfamiliar, it naturally gets confused about sentence structures and patterns. When you try something new, errors will happen. Why should you be scared of making mistakes? Look at me, I'm not scared at all. Mistakes are proof that you are actively trying. The beautiful thing about making a mistake is that if you can recognize it, you can easily correct it next time. Mistakes are actually helpful tools for your growth. You only stop making mistakes when you stop trying to learn. By saying until the very ends of this video, you have shown how serious and excited you are about transforming your communication skills. Yes, you are doing something meaningful to upgrade your life. English is just a language, guys, not a mountain you cannot climb. It is a fully achievable, doable and speakable. I was once a person who struggled to even read basic English sentences smoothly, but today I can speak with fluency simply because I dedicated my time to consistent practice. If I can overcome my struggles and speak fluently, you can also absolutely do it too. English is a beautiful global language that will open up great career opportunities and make your professional life much better. In a future video, I will explain in the complete benefits of mastering this language in detail. Let's stop fear for today. Do not feel desperate, anxious, or sad about your current speaking level. Don't worry about that. Give yourself some time. Stay regular with this routine and you will see amazing growth over time. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned, keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. Friends, this is a new channel. Keep support, and till then I see you in next video. Till then, keep practicing and keep learning. Bye bye.